If love was real, where did it disappear? I remember nights we held the silence, your heartbeat dancing close to mine. You said forever like you meant it. Now forever feels like a lie. Your shadow still lives in my hallway, your voice still echoes in my head. I try to bury all the memories, but they refuse to rest. Tell me where your love went cold. Was I a story never told? If you ever loved me, why leave? Why break what you swore you'd keep? You said my name like it meant something. Now it's just a ghost in the breeze. If you ever needed me, why go? Why leave me drowning alone? I gave you all of my soul. Now I'm here with nothing to hold. Your perfume still on my pillow, like you never really left. But every tear I try to swallow still tastes like regret. I was fighting for a future, you were planning your escape. Guess I loved you a little deeper than you could ever take. Tell me, was it all pretend? Or just a love you couldn't defend? If you ever loved me, why leave? Why break what you swore you'd keep? You said forever with no hesitation. Now I'm lost in devastation. If you ever needed me, why go? Why leave me buried in the cold? I gave you more than my heart. I gave you every broken part. Just a lesson in disguise. If you ever love me, why leave? Why make it so hard to breathe? You took the light from my soul. Now I'm just shadows and cold. If you ever love me, why leave? Tell me, what did you see? Was I just something to feel, but never something to keep? If you love me,